Presenting the BoAt Aavante Bar 2000 Pro 200-bit Bluetooth Soundbar W/2.1 channel wireless subwoofer, Bluetooth V5.3, EQ modes, multiple ports, bass and treble controls and master remote. It comes with 2.1 channel wireless subwoofer, high-obtained 2.1 channel sound and USB auxiliary port. Humping audio, treble levels adjusted to your liking and can switch between functions with the handy master remote while being seated. It has minimal space and effortless upgrade. It also features Bluetooth V5.3 and HDMI, ARC connectivity. It also features the elegant design merges with your existing setup. It also has movies, music, news and 3D mode for each mode.